Meaning of dead zone.
Dead zone.
Dead zone.
Dead zone.
Dead zone. A dead zone refers to an area in a water body, such as a lake or ocean, where the oxygen level is so low that it can no longer support most marine life. This occurs when excess nutrients from land-based sources such as fertilizers and sewage cause an overgrowth of algae, which eventually dies and sinks to the bottom. As the dead algae decompose, it consumes the oxygen in the water, leading to hypoxia. The result is a devastating impact on marine ecosystems, causing mass die-offs of fish and other aquatic organisms, and posing a threat to human health.